part 2. Okay. Oh, the last part. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go in and we're gonna rub her down, honey. Rub her down. And then we're gonna okay, we're gonna unravel. We're gonna go in with the gel. Right? Right. I'm listening to my music on the inside. I gotta keep my spirits high. See, there we go. Okay, and we're gonna untwist. We're gonna keep running our fingers smooth, like a smoothing kind of way. Like if you feel the hair that's in there, kind of gently pull it out. Like black girl, you used to watch some TVs, some commercials with the white girls. Or if your white girl friends have long hair and the way that they be pulling their hair apart like that, do that. Do that. Why? Do that. Yeah, honey, do that. Do that. Just like that. Just all the way down, honey. But once it gets stuck, kind of pull it down. Kind of pull it. Then kind of rub it. Now, get some more hot herbs. Go wild because, honey, it's your last one. Slick her down with some more gel. Make sure she hydrated. Now, she gonna feel hydrated once that gel is in there. You gonna feel a difference. Once you feel a difference and she good and sleek, that's when you go in with your castor oil, okay? Okay. You see how this one wanna stay in there? You gotta learn how to work with it. I used to get so frustrated with my hair, and yeah. But I learned to overcome that. Just be patient. Smooth. The reason why I'm saying smooth, because you have all your sebum on your scalp. Move that sebum to your hair follicles, okay? We're gonna do some knots, okay? Bam. Take off your excess. Go in with your castor oil. Use as much as needed, honey. And people say, why, how come I don't like charge to tell this? Because girls need to learn how to do their own hair and stop paying people to do their hair. If they know how to do their own hair, they will be so much more happy because they can express themselves the way they want to. They can be them. Okay, once we got that, we're gonna split inhale, okay? We gonna do the little twist. Do a little twist. Do a little twist. 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 Okay. Make sure you got it in the middle. Don't worry about all that glob, okay? Just keep twisting. Then, yeah. And do the same thing. If it's tangled, untangle that mug. Why are you, like, not tangling it? I mean, untangling it. Untangle that mug. Your hair will look so much better. Your hair will last longer. Why not? You wanna look good, right? No half-stepping. Take your time. Get them things out, honey. Okay. And get the spinning. My spiders. My widows. My orbins. Okay, so while you're doing that, look at that long piece of track. Okay, once you get like low or whatever, do the same process. Keep going. Spin it. Do the other side. Ain't no half stepping. Boop, 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 boop. You almost done, girl. You was almost done. Oh my goodness. And she get kind of dry. Go ahead. Remember, go in. You gotta be extra, honey. Be extra. Remember, this is your hair that you doing. I was doing a girl's hair. For some reason, it didn't stick with that girl. Like when I was doing her hair, it didn't come out right. You know why? I figured it out. She was being negative towards me behind my back, and I didn't even know it. So I don't know if my higher self already knew, and my higher self was like, I'm gonna make Trina not see the work that she's doing and make it believable, like it's so beautiful that you did her hair, how you did her hair. So I thought it looked cute. Honey, when she left, I took a look at her again. I was like, oh shit. I know she didn't like it. But everything happens for a reason. How you doing? So, this is how it looks when it's done. It's still wet, as you can see. But she looked good, right? Look at that one. Look at that one. Okay. Okay. Girl. Now all I gotta do is dry. You guys know how I like to dry my hair on my unicycle. I'm still dressed. Still got the knee pads on.